up? You need to keep your boy in check if you don't want him going sideways. I'm never selling out cause I need room for all these highways. Leaving the grievances, season tickets, and I'm scalping them. 20, 30, 40% off of my best. Open up your mind for the rest. Laid up every month, yeah, you tryna get the paper. Stack, stack, stacks, got these suckers playing Jenga. Chain ya, you a dog alpha, I'll be the omega. Time flies, but I wrote it all on the post. It's 17 months, yeah, I'll see you at the solstice. Got so many hands that'll carry me. Laying thoughts loud, it's just another type of therapy. Hate it when it makes sense, need to never add up. But the world needs lights, so we gotta keep these ads up. Stable as a dreidel on a three-legged table. Giving me the scissors, you already cut the cable. Yeah. So wait for it to mitigate. Acid in it, livid stinging like slit skin with the Minute Maid. Competitive edge, I never like to sin a game. Half real, half bored, gag reel, clapboard. I messed up once, but I'm on to the next tape. Eyes on the prize like I'm sprinting in a neck brace. Headaches, turn my dreams off, I don't really like to think thoughts. Never satisfied till I turn them into ink blots. So deep it gets floaty. Hot and fresh, fold the clothes for me. Homie stone cold, bold, rolling an emoji. I'm Tony, Roma, but I got love. So official, man, I swear I need a .gov. I wish somebody would like Bark, my DOG. I'm pure on ish, you were just another muggle. No back talk, rebuttal. Hit the deck, you shuffle. Make a couple rough flat notes better. Best believe I gotta ruffle them feathers. I'm rolling slow, bro, we just tryna cruise. I roll my eyes at every ghost cause I don't need the booze. On some Victor Cruz, hit that salsa and boss him to play opossum like you lost something. Act like you've been dead. We'll see who's living here in a minute. Get admitted and rivet presented minutes given you're not equipped yet. Until then I'm chillin', killing villains, and I'm still in there yelling Dipset. You feeling that? Me too. See, everybody's real, but really what's a real to a fishnet? Not much. It's more efficient. Peter Pan.